Your brain is a black box. You don't see the world with your eyes. You see it with your brain. Inside that bone casing, there is zero light. It is pitch black. Your brain sits in total darkness, receiving nothing but raw electrical pulses. It has to decode those pulses and stitch together an image of what it thinks is out there. Take color, for example. In the physics of the universe, color does not exist. There are only different wavelengths of light. Your brain weighed up the experience of color as a user interface, so you could tell those wavelengths apart. Everything you see, hear, and touch right now is a construction. Your experience of physical reality is a highly subjective, controlled hallucination designed to keep you alive rather than showing you the objective truth. Researchers tracked monkeys in the rainforest to prove this internal construction. By looking at their genotypes, scientists mapped exactly how different monkeys perceived the same fruit. Even with the same light reflectance, different monkeys saw entirely different shades of color. Taste works similarly. In one study, mice that refused to drink bitter tea were given a genetic switch. Scientists didn't change the taste buds on their tongues. They changed the wiring pathway from the tongue to the area in the brain where we decipher taste. Suddenly, the mice began drinking the bitter tea as if it were sweet. The receptor-to-brain pathway dictates the perception, meaning our sensory inputs are being actively manipulated and overridden before we even experience them. Every color and every flavor is a prediction generated by your biology. If your brain is heavily editing something as basic as a cup of tea, your entire reality is being edited by a script you didn't consciously write. Your brain acts as a predictive engine. To save energy, it doesn't build reality from scratch every second. It relies on a model of the world built from past data to predict what is happening in the present. The ultimate proof of how this past programming dictates our physical sight comes from a famous study known as the kitten experiment. Newborn kittens were raised in cylinders where they only ever saw horizontal black and white stripes. During the critical period of their visual development, they were never exposed to a single vertical line. When placed in a normal environment, these kittens were blind to vertically oriented objects. Because their brains had never seen vertical stripes, they lacked the hardware to render them. The object was physically there, but their brains created a physical blind spot. If your brain has never been exposed to a certain reality or opportunity, it will physically refuse to render it, even if it is sitting right in front of your face. The neurological mechanism holding the pen to this hallucination is called the default mode network, or DMN. The DMN holds your self-concept. It is the repository for your ego and the deeply ingrained story of who you believe you are. This network acts as a strict editor, deleting any vertical lines in your life that don't match your familiar identity. It ensures the reality you experience remains consistent with your internal model. If your identity is tied to being stressed or incapable, the DMN actively filters out solutions to those problems. It forces you to react as an old version of yourself, keeping you trapped in a predictable, familiar pain. The primary obstacle to any goal is a biological mechanism violently protecting an outdated identity. Knowing that your brain constructs your entire experience is the ultimate power. Through neuroplasticity, you can actively rewire the machinery and change the reality you perceive. You cannot simply think your way into a new reality. The predictive engine only updates its model when it is provided with undeniable physical evidence. Shifting your identity requires closing the gap between your current self and your future self. You must force behaviors and enter environments that explicitly contradict your old programming. Habit formation is the act of providing your brain with new physical data to force the DMN to update its rendering of your universe. Breaking this predictive loop depends on the consistent application of movement, mindfulness, and mindset. Movement forces the body into new physical states. It oxygenates the brain and clears out the lymphatic waste that physically anchors us to old, stagnant identities. Mindfulness pauses the predictive engine. This creates the processing time necessary to prevent old traumas from auto-populating into your present reality. Finally, mindset training sharpens your perception filter. It teaches the brain to hunt for the vertical stripes of new opportunities that your old programming used to ignore. Executing these practices consistently overrides the old code. You eventually force the brain to construct an entirely new reality that aligns with your updated actions. Reality is not something that happens to you. It happens through you. You don't get what you want in life.